Hello CA final student friends. This information is about CA final FR, SFM and elective subjects. Right now there is an important scheme going on for the student. Buy the books, get the lecture free. SFM is available for 3,999, FR is available for 4,999 and elective subjects are available for 1,999. And the combo of FR and SFM is available for 7,999. I wish to inform you that we are going to continue this offer only till 30th November. Now only few days are remaining, and after 30th November the price of our SFM, FR and elective subjects will increase. So do not wait till 30th November. And also inform your friends who want to buy FR, SFM or elective subjects at such a very lower price. This is to help our students community at large. Okay, so the last date for this offer of SFM 3,999, FR 4,999, combo of FR SFM 7,999, the last date is 30th November. Do not delay and purchase these products from our website vinod.in. For any query, please contact us on these numbers. Thank you very much. All the best.